This is a Toyota Prius, and I took off the hubcap because I think the wheels underneath look much better than the hubcap did. So, but the only problem is you have this center hub that doesn't have a cap. So I went ahead and ordered some caps for the center, but I don't want to I don't want to leave them silver or chrome. So I'm going to go ahead and Plasti Dip them. And I'll show you that process here in a minute. All right, I'm going to paint these four, and make sure you shake this up really well. Just do good spray painting process. So start before the thing you want to spray paint and follow through. Light coats, about 4 to 6 inches away. Okay, I'll let that dry for 15 minutes or so and then come back and add another coat. All right, gonna do a second coat. So let's do them individually this time. Alright, come back in a few minutes and do another coat. Alright, third coat. It's about 95 out here, so it's drying pretty quickly. Got that one a little too heavy. That's okay. Okay, wait till this dries and on to coat 4. All right, coat number 4. All right, looking pretty good. I'm gonna let that dry and come back and do probably, I can still see a little bit right there that's not covered. And I think on the edges, maybe. So we'll see. Anyway, so we'll see how many more coats we need to do here to get complete coverage. Okay, back again. I think this is coat 5 if I didn't lose count. Get those areas that are getting coverage. Check them out. A little bit more in here. That looks pretty good. Let's see what this one's doing. That looks pretty good. Looks good. A little bit on the top here. Same with this one. Okay, I think these are going to turn out nice. I may try to get some of the edges since that'll show. Once this dries, I'll probably tip them up on edge and hit some of these spots, like right there. Yeah, it looks like I need to get the top of the logo. There's a little light there. So that'll get covered when I do the edges. So be back when this dries and we'll do coat number 6. All right, it's getting kind of dark out here, so I went ahead and sprayed off camera. So I think I just have one more touch up to do on these edges. And they'll be ready to install once they dry. So that's pretty good. Excited to see it on the car. All right, I finished the painting, the plastic coat. It looks really good. They turned out really well. And I stuck one on the car. So it looks pretty nice. It's easy, it just snaps in. I'll do the rear wheel. So just gotta get it straight on, and it just snaps in. That's it. Looks really nice. It's kind of dark back here. Anyway, you can get the Plasti Dip I got mine at Home Depot. It's the flat black. And these I got off eBay. I think it was 15 bucks for 4 of them. And they're nice because they snap in. I think they say they're the original, but I'm not sure. I'll have the link below for the guy that sells these things. And then probably took me 45 minutes to paint them all. And that's it. Well, thanks for watching. I'm happy with how this turned out.